Hello Year 8s, it's Mr. Heller again with some maths work for this week. This comes from the My Maths task that I've set you on expanding single brackets. Let's have a look at the first question. It says simple brackets, expand and simplify these expressions. And the first one we've got to do is 3 and then a bracket with a add 6. So let's have a look at what that means. So 3a add 6 is another way of saying I want to have a add 6 once, a add 6 twice, a add 6 3 times. I've got 3 of them. So 3 a's and 6, 12, 18, 3a add 18. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. This one. 7 lots of b take 5. Well, that means I've got b take 5, b take 5, 3 lots of them, 4 lots of them, 5 lots of them, 6 lots of them, 7 lots of them. Wow, that took a bit of writing out. I've got 7 b's, and then negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, negative 20, negative 25, negative 30, negative 35. So 7b take 35. Well, that took a bit of writing out. This one, well, it's not going to take too much writing out, but let's see if I could think of a shortcut. 3 lots of 6c. That would be 18c. 3 lots of 1. That would be 3. See, I can do it by multiplying what's at the front of the bracket by each one of those things in turn. And then in this one, 7 lots of 2d, 14d. 7 lots of negative 8, negative 56. So I don't actually need to write it out long way at all. I can do it by multiplying. So another word you might see here is to multiply out brackets. So, second part of the question. Let's fill in some blanks. In the answer, I've got 3n, but here I've just got an n. So I'm going to guess that's a 3. Let's just check. 3 lots of n, 3 lots of 9. That's right. I've got an m here and 2m there, so I'm going to guess it's a 2 there. 2 lots of m. That's going to have to be a 5 to make that a 10. Let's have a look. Ooh, a bit tricky on this one. Can't work it out without how many p's that I have there. Right, but if I've got a 7 here and a 42 there, that better be a 6 there to make that 42. And 6 lots of 4p, 24p. And then finally, I'm going to have to put a 7 there and 4 lots of negative 9 to give me negative 36. So a bit of problem solving here. And then applying this here, same technique. These little tick marks here means these are all the same length. So I've got t add 3, t add 3, and t add 3. So with brackets, that's going to be 3 lots of t add 3. Without brackets, 3t add 3, 6, 9, 9. Or another way, 3 lots of t, 3 lots of 3. Done. You should find the same questions of these, but just with different numbers when you come to do it. Okay, second question. Starts off with something that looks really similar. We've got a geometric example, but this time we're going to find the area of the triangle, not the perimeter. So I don't just want to add these up. I'm going to multiply 6 lots of x add 7, and that's going to come out as 6x add 42. Not add 7, because I'm going to have to multiply the 6 by 7. Okay, and then p lots of p take 5. Well, p lots of p is p squared. Remember, p times itself, p squared. P lots of 5, 5p. Not p5, 5p. We're going to put the number in front of the letter because we've got a negative there. So when I come to type this in, I'm going to say p squared take 5p. But it says use the at symbol for squared. So I'd actually type p at. It's going to come up as a squared when you type it in. Take 5p. Okay, just because My maths is a little bit funny in terms of superscript and subscripts. And then over here, a lots of a squared, and 4a. 7n, add n squared. 2p minus p squared. Now we get onto some trickier ones. A times a is a squared, but it's 2a squared. And 2a times 5, 10a. 3c times c, 3c squared. And c times d would just be cd, but I've got 3 of them. Minus 3cd. 5x squared, because it's 5x times x. X times x is x squared. 5 lots of it. Got in there. It's 5x squared. 5x times 5. Well, 5 5s are 25. I've got an x in there to multiply as well. And it's a negative. So for each of these, it's exactly the same thing. I'm multiplying that by that. And I'm multiplying that by that and taking care of the positive and negative in there. So again, when you come onto your second page of My Maths, you're going to see exactly the same questions with different numbers, different letters. Good luck. Let me know how you get on.